Hey guys, so welcome to Money Express, where we bring you the finest tactics in online earning. Today, let's talk about an app where you can earn at least $800. Before that,
Welcome again to another video here at Money Express, where we teach you ways on how you can earn money online, hassle-free and fast. Before anything else, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment down below.
now I recently discovered a revolutionary new app that enables anyone from anywhere in the globe to receive free PayPal balance with no commitment. It works globally and accepts payments via PayPal. Other payment choices are also available, but you should track along all of the instructions in this video if you want this to function. This will not function for you if you don't complete the video, and you will not generate a single penny unless you show to yourself that listening to a 10-minute tutorial video is not a waste of time. I consider that understanding a 10-minute tutorial video that demonstrates how to earn with your phone is a lot better rather than spending 10 minutes scrolling through Instagram and reading feeds, and you'll tend to forget as the scrolling continues. Let's return to the video, and here you can view all of the numerous payment choices available, including PayPal, Payeer, AirTM, and whatever you like. You can use a PayPal option if you want to get paid through PayPal and collect the funds. You can withdraw and spend your PayPal money on whatever you choose, as long as you accumulate $5 in your account. You can use Payeer, ATM, or whatever if you don't prefer PayPal or if PayPal isn't available in your area. You can see here that all of these people are already bagging money with this website and getting paid almost every moment, and they're from all over the globe. So this website is a sure win that pays properly and works smoothly. So let me show you how you can set this up for yourself. I'm going to prove to you that this is 100% real. First and foremost, you must go to Google before you can access the app. Look for various articles and blog entries that you believe people would enjoy reading. I recommend that you head over to Google and search for whatever you think people would be interested in reading, like something trending with unusual facts or anything that you believe people would click. As you can notice, I'm not only focusing on one area. For example, I'm going to look for 10 odd facts regarding water. I'm not searching for a certain category such as gold sports or something that will appeal to a specific demographic, but focusing on something that millions of people would like to know about, such as 100 great water facts you should know, or any topic you think will appeal to a huge audience. This can be a difficult task, and you can even choose engaging stories or odd and uncommon information about items that would pique the interest of a large number of individuals. It could be a biography of a movie star, an actor, or a YouTube sensation. All you have to do now is navigate to Google and find a topic or a post that you think would appeal to a large crowd and copy its link. Once you've found that, all you're required to do now is right-click on it and copy. Once you've got the link that redirects you to the article, that's all you have to do for the first step, which is go to Google. The second step is to go to this app called exe.io, which you can use on your smartphone, tablet, computer, or laptop. For me, I'm going to use my desktop because it's simpler for me to demonstrate. The place where you can shorten, share, and earn money briefing long URLs or long links and sharing it with friends, family, and other peers is exe.io. You will be compensated every time someone clicks on the link you briefed. So, they're not obliged to have to sign up for anything, spend any cash, or purchase anything at all. It only takes a few clicks for them to appear. As you may notice, you only need 3 basic steps to make an account, and I'm going to show you how to sign up for free. Second, I'm going to teach you how to shorten your links, and third, you'll earn cash and you'll see how it flows now. The reason why we're using this app is because they have the best rates possible, which means you will get good income. It's a lot easier to get someone to crack open a link rather than to persuade them to purchase something within your referral program.
So, if you want to disclose this with your peers or find someone who wants to make money with exe.io, simply share your referral link and you'll receive 15% of their profit. By referring someone, you can earn passively for the rest of eternity. If the person cops a $1,000, you will earn $100 without doing anything. Next up, please visit exe.io and click the sign up button right here to create an account. The next step is to enter your legitimate email address in this box, create a password, and type it again for verification and confirmation before agreeing to the terms of a usage and privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on it. After, just hit the register and you're good to go. You already have a developed account in exe.io. Once you generate a new account, this is how it's supposed to look like. As per observation, this is a dashboard where you can monitor your views, your earnings, your referral earnings, and the average CPM, which is a value per 1,000 clicks that you gain from your link. Your earnings per click are going to be on the low end or high depending on where the click is originating from. Because when someone opens your shortened link, they will be rerouted to a site for ads and they will be displayed ads that are skippable, and after they skip those ads, they will be moved to the link that you primarily wanted them to reach. If it's coming from a top class country, you will clearly earn more money, but if it's coming from a developing country, your profit will be lower. So exe.io is having the ad revenue with you, which is why they have the CPM and why this in fact functions flawlessly. It also explains why they're really waging you for those clicks. If you're wondering if this is a true person, the reply is yes, because the person who opens the link doesn't have to lay over money and can easily skip those advertisements. Once you start making money and save $3 in your account, you may go to withdrawals right here and choose your preferred payment method. My choice in this scenario is PayPal. Simply enter your PayPal information and you'll be able to withdraw and spend your money as you like. Nonetheless, after finding that intriguing article on Google, I'd like you to build a link right here so that you can shorten it. You want to shorten the link of that article or blog post that you believe many people will click on and be interested in reading. This is why I recommend you to choose articles that will appeal to a massive crowd. To do so, simply paste the link here and click create, which will give you the shortened exe.io link. You can duplicate it and get paid every time someone's opened this link. Now, all you need to do is for people to click on this link, and in order for this to succeed, you'll need to identify people who will want to read that article. The first traffic source is over here at Herculist.com, which is a site that will open you to promote any link you want daily for free, and so it provides you an entire list of emails to where you can forward an email even if you don't suffice any social media followers or if you're someone new. For the first traffic source is over here at Herculist.com. Each time someone uses your link, you will be compensated, and the second traffic source which you may utilize is not free, but it will help getting more clicks, is a lot simpler. And there's a strong chance that a ton of viewers are clicking on your link once more. Another source is Shoutcard.com, where you can go through all of the different online celebrities on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, and bring your shortened link to advertise to hundreds and thousands of people for a very low price if you sign up for free. So for example, I only chose Instagram to promote for $10 to half of the 500,000 people who may have seen my shortened link, because all you need to do is accomplish and pay $10, send them your link, and they will advertise it. And so far, I've bagged $40 income without doing a thing. And with this, you can create a snowball effect. So if you have $10 extra, start investing. In order to cash in, invest in one shoutout, and once you regained back a few bucks, around 50 to 60, then reinvest some of that into more shoutouts. The more you earn, the more shoutouts you could equip, and from larger pages, once again, you're making a snowball effect, which states you can purchase those shoutouts every single day and get those clicks regularly. Using shoutcard.com, you can auto-promote to millions and receive hundreds and thousands of opens on your shortened links. Just ensure the articles and blogs you search in Google are definitely engaging and fascinating, so a lot of people will gather their attention on them. And again, whenever someone clicks, you profit. So start with Hercules, earn clicks and money, then reinvest to Shoutcard and open a business with it. It's easy and reliable as it's accessible on any device, especially on your phone. Alright, so that was a roller coaster of information, but I hope you were able to learn something valuable today, and of course, we would like to know what you think about this video. Please leave a comment down below and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And to watch more videos like this, hit the notification bell and don't forget to hit the like button. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned to the next one. Bye!